I first saw a guy brought to life. He was warm, he came around, he was dignified. He showed me what it was to cry. Well, you couldn't be that guy I adored. You don't seem to know or seem to care what your heart is for. But I don't know him anymore. There's nothing left, I used to cry. My conversation has run dry. That's what's going on.